Hello, Sundari. Today's video is going to be all about going from this to this. This video is dedicated to a friend of mine who asked me how exactly does she look not tired while being tired. It has to be quick, it has to be easy, it has to be with the makeup that she already has and something that's easy to do. I already said that. So let's go. The first thing for everything, if you don't want to look tired or want to take care of your skin, is to do good skincare. I would highly suggest that you try a facial oil. I am using the KOQAL rosehip oil. Pure cold pressed rosehip oil really helps with hyperpigmentation, hydrating your skin and taking care of it like overall. Then the one thing that makes all of us look tired, and that is tired eyes. I'm gonna apply a little bit of under eye gel. I'm also gonna apply a lip balm. That's really useful. Then I'm going to be using KOQAL eye jewels, which is reusable under eye patches. You need to start doing facial massages if you want to look and feel less tired. I have done a full video about how exactly you can do your own facial massage, so definitely check that out. It will be in the description box. I'm adding on the golden jojoba oil, which is more moisture and it really helps with the hydration of the skin. Then this is one step that nobody's going to tell you. You need to slap your face gently. This really invigorates your skin. This also kind of brings you back to life. Try to do this and you will see a difference immediately. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Keeping things simple with makeup, we're going to start off with a concealer. Do not go with a foundation. That can get a little bit complicated. Apply it on your eyes, especially focusing on areas that are dark. You can also go in with a color corrector before this, but I don't really use a color corrector. The trick here is less and concentrating it on areas that are dark, so it doesn't really look like you have massive amounts of makeup on your face, because that too sometimes can look very overwhelming. I am going to concentrate on the center of my face and I would highly suggest you do the same. When you are blending your makeup out, do it in a dabbing motion and not a swiping motion. Now we have to bring in a little bit of structure to the face, and the best way to do that is to bring the focus around your eyebrows. I would suggest, since we're keeping this very easy, using an eyebrow gel. You can also use a pencil or something that really helps in fluffing up your eyebrows and keeping them in place, and making them look put together is a great way to kind of also not feel tired, because you do have structure to your face. Then you're going to take your bronzer, if it's safe to use around your eyes, or you can take a little bit of brown eyeshadow and you're gonna make a fake wing eye. What we are looking for here is just the effect of a lift and not really the color or the eyeliner. Now if you're someone that doesn't really have that much of time and if you want it to be very easy, I would suggest you just skip this, but this is one thing that really helps in opening up your eyes and making you look less tired. Again, we're going to be taking the bronzer or the eyeshadow that you have, and then you're going to be placing it right underneath your brow bone and blending it like I'm showing you. This again brings in a lot of depth. Doesn't really look like you have a lot of makeup. We're going to take very finely milled highlighter and apply it on the inner corner of the eye. This helps the light bounce off of your eyes and makes your eye look even more open and wide. Highly suggest applying a mascara. It could be any mascara of your choice. Just make sure that it's lengthening, because the longer your eyelashes, the bigger your eyes look for some reason. It's already been 10 minutes, so we're going to remove our KOQAL eye jewels and look at the amount of moisture it is brought in from your skin underneath. I absolutely love this product. Obviously I worked on it, so I like it anyways, but I will show you the before and after so you guys can see. It's literally been like 10 minutes of me doing this makeup and you can see the difference. There's no concealer on my under eyes right now. Then you can apply your blush. I would suggest applying the blush in this manner that I'm showing you. This really helps in making your blush look like you are blushing from within rather than just like a simple single blush application. Then we're going to be using concealer. As you guys can see, I'm focusing a lot on the inner corner of the eye as well as the outer corner, and I'm leaving the central part of it alone. And that's because you want the concealer to be focused on the areas that need the most amount of coverage and help you in looking less tired. Do not try to apply your concealer in a triangle. It's going to make you look theatric. It's going to make you look even more tired, because chances are you have puffy eyes because you're tired. Trust me and do this instead. This is another reason why you need to use a concealer and not a foundation. Concealer has way more coverage and you can control it way more as compared to a foundation. Then apply any lipstick of your choice. I love this natural color by Wearified. It's called 26th of Jan. But any natural My Lips but better sort of a shade would do. And applying a little bit of concealer on top of the blush. Remember, I said that we want a blushing from within look, and that's the reason why we want to go back and apply very little concealer on the center portion of your face. This can also be done if you want more coverage on your face because you have spots or marks that you want to hide. This is the before and after. It's easy, it's quick, and you look less tired. You are welcome. I hope this video has helped. I'm definitely going to be sharing it to all of my friends who ask me the same question: how to look less tired while being tired. I hope you guys like this video. All of the details are in the description box. Open it, check it out. That's about it. You can also follow me over Instagram. This is my handle. Any questions, leave that in the comment section. And that's about it. Bye.